welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you old, thank you for returning. Make sure you turn those post notifications on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing my own little taper and lining. This is not a tutorial. This is just how I do my thing. And I will be using enhancements, but I am going to show you guys what it looked like before I use enhancements. Girl, this neck, a hot ass mess. It looked like moldy cheese down there. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, this is the finished look with the enhancements. Y'all saw it without the enhancements. I only did enhancements in the front. In the back, I pretty much leave it how it is. I'm growing out my tail so that I can eventually like have a fat ass lock. She a hater. She a hater. But I'm eventually growing out this tail so that I can have one big like lock back there. That shit'll be raw as hell. Say hey, babe.
Hi, I'm the editor.
She is. And my baby. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this video, you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.